Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your cPanel on telaHosting. Your cPanel is the control center of your hosting account. It is where you manage your website files, emails, domains, security settings, and more. So knowing how to access it is the first step to managing your website. Let's get started. First, log into your telaHosting account. Locate cPanel in your web hosting services. Click Login, then log into cPanel. Your cPanel dashboard comes up. Alternatively, you can type your website domain followed by /cPanel in your browser. For example, telahosting.net/cPanel and log in with your username and password. You can also use the link cPanel.yourdomain and log in with your username and password, or go to your browser and type in your domain :2083 and log in with your username and password. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your cPanel dashboard, and this is where you can manage everything related to your website, files, domains, emails, security tools, and more. If you ever forget your password, you can reset it from your hosting client's area or contact telaHosting support for assistance. For security reasons, always remember to log out of cPanel once you're done, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. And that's how you log into your cPanel hosting account on telaHosting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.